tutorial, we're going to learn how to write some text that will follow a customized path. So you want to make sure you type in your text, and again, pay attention to the color of the layer. Usually masks and text are identified by red color. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to open up the text option, and there is a drop down that is a path option. Oh, I did not use my pen tool. Actually, you can leave that open, it doesn't matter. Go back to your pen tool and click and create some kind of a path. And of course, if you want to modify the points, you can hold the option key and you get this V icon, just like with, and then once you click it, you see the two handlers. It's very similar to Illustrator. And then you can just, again, if you want to move it, change it, you can do that. You can stretch it. So everybody has a path. Now, I already dropped down my text. And this time it converted it to a mask. And, oh, I'm sorry, click on the text option, open the text option, open the path option, and next to the path option there is a drop down that is set to none. If you click it, you can choose mask. As soon as you do that, it's going to put my text over the path. So now I can actually come back to my, I can animate this by using my animator. I can animate the position, I can animate the tracking, I can do like the scale. So let's go ahead and do maybe scale for now. Actually, let's do position first. We're going to animate the position. I'm going to make a keyframe here, keyframe the offset for range selector, come back to a different place in time, and actually move my, move my path here. So basically what I have now, I have my path that moves very slowly. If I wanted to move faster, I'll just get the keyframe closer to it. You can also put your text over like circles, rectangulars. You could put it over whatever you wish. You can use also selectors options like wiggly options. So now it's just going to wiggle in like this, which is kind of can drive people crazy, and maybe we don't do that. But we can animate the color, we can animate the tracking. So if I just do the tracking, you see that it just spreads them out and so on. So how are we doing, everybody? Yeah, everybody managed to. So I'm gonna do now. I got lost. You know, I'm gonna add a couple more things here, and then I'm gonna stop the video, and I'll come and see, make sure everybody managed to get this thing here. So I'm gonna modify the tracking. So again, you can, once you actually do this part, you can keep adding as many animators as you wish. So let me just do, so I'm sorry, what was your name again? Nick. So I'm gonna do one on a circle. So maybe follow that and then try to do it, and if you still having issues, I'm gonna come over and help you with it. So this time I'm going to make a brand new one. I'm going to turn this layer off. So I'm doing it again on a different shape. Okay. So I'm going to just turn the whole thing off. This time I'm just going to I'm going to type in some text here. Okay, so we're going to animate text on a circle. So we type our text first. Second, we are going to go and we're going to make sure you're on that same exact layer. So make sure you click on it and see the name that is highlighted. Then come back to your shape tool, and there is a, maybe we'll just do ellipse, and I'm just going to drag it here. Drag it here. Now, can anybody tell me what I need to do next? Go to the text, path option. Beautiful. And then exactly. And then here you can reverse it if you want for it to go outside. And now I can animate the first margin and the second margin. So if I wanted to start from here, I keyframe it, go to a different place in time, and I just move it however I want. So again, this is another way that you can animate it just using the path option settings. So there are a couple of different ways that you could do that. Okay, I'm going to stop